Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pin a post to the top of your Facebook business page. This is a great way to highlight important announcements, promotions, or any content you want your visitors to see first when they land on your page. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in and viewing your business homepage, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen where you'll find the profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account and pages. From this drop-down selection, you'll want to click on your business profile name. This is the name of the page you're managing, and clicking it will take you directly to where you need to be to make changes and adjustments to your page content. You'll now be directed to your Facebook management page, which is essentially the hub for all your business page activities. Here's where the magic happens. Take a moment to scroll through your page and locate the specific post you wish to pin to the top. This could be anything from a special offer, an event announcement, or an important update you want your audience to see immediately when they visit your page. Once you've found the post you want to pin, look for the three-dot icon that appears on the post itself. This icon is your gateway to additional post options. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with various actions you can take with that particular post. From this menu, simply click on the Pin Post option. As soon as you do this, the post will be pinned to the top of your page feeds, meaning it will remain at the very top regardless of any new posts you publish afterward. This ensures maximum visibility for your most important content, and it will stay there until you decide to unpin it or pin a different post in its place. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a post to the top of your Facebook business page, giving your most important content the spotlight it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.